Makers, it is time to run, not walk, to get this smocked fabric because we are about to make the easiest pants you will ever make. They sell this super soft fabric in the spring to make one seam dresses, but I thought, pants? So I picked up as much as I had left on the bolt for this little experiment and got out an old pajama pants pattern. Because the pattern is smocked, you don't need as much fabric as you normally would. Really what we're looking for is to cut out those crotch lines. So in my case, I just folded the pattern in the middle to get the crotch on either side. Or you can try this awesome Ditto Hack. I already have my measurements in the app and I found this pair of pants that I'm going to make anyways because again, all I really need is the crotch line. So I laid my fabric out and cut on either side.
Hey guys, spoiler alert, these pants turned out adorable. I get compliments every time I wear them out. They're so comfy and they can be worn a ton of ways. So I will definitely be doing another pair. I've already bought the fabric. I'm gonna make these more like short slash a shorter skirt, not full length pants. And this time I'm going to include pockets, everyone's favorite. So if there's some part of the video construction or cutting out coming up that you didn't understand or you want more views or angles of, let me know in the comments so I can include that in my next video for you, okay? Because everybody needs a pair of these ASAP.
Okay, back to it. As you can see, I've got my front and back crotch cut out, right sides together, and all I'm gonna do is sew them together. I'm not sewing the legs, I'm not sewing down, I'm just sewing that scooped curve for the back and front crotches. And press. Always press your seams, guys. Now you can see I have a solid waistband in one big circle with my front and back crotch seams sewn together. So all I'm going to do is open this entire piece and put my front and back seams together. Just line those up. That means that the crotch is going to come to a point where all four intersecting pieces of fabric are going to meet, and voila, it looks like pants. All you got to do is pin up your edges, and of course, you guessed it, we're going to go ahead and sew again. I'm sewing from the crotch outwards, mostly because my mom just always told me that you want to sew in the same direction on both pieces of fabric, but I'm not gonna tattle on you if you sew all the way from the cuff of one pant leg through to the cuff of the other pant leg. So, time to try on. Moment of truth. Here they go. I love them. They're so comfortable, you guys, and soft and breathy. If I wasn't such a dork with the tucked in shirt, they'd be just absolutely adorable. One thing I did forget to add was a little piece of sewn in ribbon. That's my mom's trick, so that I can always tell which is the back part of the pants without having to feel around for which side of the crotch is lower. So sew that in, and we're just gonna do a peacock edge for the hem of those pants today. It's like a 3-thread rolled edge hem, but it's a little bit looser so you can see more of the fabric popping through. Of course, if you didn't feel like doing this, you could just turn it up and make the little cuff like you normally do on pajama pants or whatever you feel like. And of course, last step, what are we gonna do? We're going to hit those seams with an iron. These pants are fabulous, even Vi loves them, and I will absolutely be making another pair, a shorter skirt with pockets. Let me know in the comments what you want some clarification on and I will get it out for you guys. So hurry, go and get some of this smocked fabric before it's gone for the season. Later.